Can you help me? Come back every day and collect your daily bonus. Welcome to my house. Ew! Throw it away. Get rid of that bad smell, please. Oh no! Catch those spiders! Don't forget the spider webs! Super! Now let's vacuum the floor! Don't forget to clean the wall! Great! Now let's paint it! You are the best! Welcome to my house! Let's decorate my house! I love this color! We love flowers! Wow! Good job! You are the best! Welcome to my house! Decorate it and make it more lovely! Wow! Welcome to my house! Awesome! Some pool toys would be great! Thank you so much! Welcome to my house! It's time to clean the playground. I want new swings. Remove the old one, please. Put in the bolts. What is this? Open the box. Oh, yes! This is what I wanted. Can you assemble it? It will be so fun! It's time to clean the playground! Let's clean the slide. First, throw the trash away. Now, wash it. Let's polish it. Better. Now color it the way you like. to try. It's time to clean the playground. Welcome to my... I would like to use the pool. Clean it, please. Throw the trash away. Great! Remove the leaves, too. Pull it out. Now clean off the algae. Now break the old tiles. Scrape them off, please. Apply the mortar. Good job! Now lay the new tiles. There's only one thing left. To fill the pool with water. Awesome! Some pool toys would be great. Thank you so much. Welcome to my house. Hi, can you help me clean this? Let's clean the aquarium. First, take out my Goldie. Spray on some cleaner. Great! Now, wipe it. Oops, there's a leak. Great, it's fixed. Now clean off the algae. Much better. My fish would love to have a castle. Awesome! Let's color it. Goldie is very happy. Thank you. Hi, can you help me clean this? Ew, my room is a mess. Put the things where they belong. Get rid of these dust balls, please. Woohoo! Oops, confetti is all over the floor. Let's see what's under the carpet. There is so much dust. Vacuum here, too. Good job! My room. Hi, can you help me clean this? Welcome to my house. Ew, I need some help here. Oh no, let's get rid of these germs. Toilet looks terrible. Brush it, please. Apply some toilet cleaner. Good job! Now scrub it. Flush it. So clean. It's spotless. You are my... Ew, I need some help here. I'm scared of those bugs. Catch them, please. Apply some cleaner. Wait for a few minutes. clean. It's time to fill it. Pour some bubble bath. It feels great. Some toys would be fun. Thank you so much. I can relax now. Ew, I need some help here. Let's do the laundry. Separate colored clothes from the white ones. Purple, white, pink, yellow, white, green, purple, white, blue. Turn it on. Clothes are clean. Hang it, please. Good job! You are the best! Ew, I need some help here. Welcome to my house. Hey, help me to clean the kitchen. Let's do the dishes. Wash it. Wash this plate too. Can you do more? Don't forget the spoon. Awesome! Now rinse it. Dishes are clean. Put them back in their places. You did a good job. Kitchen looks great. Hey, help me to clean the kitchen. Open the fridge, please. Get rid of the cockroaches. Ew, this food is spoiled. Throw it away. Put shelves back in their places. Great! Now let's clean it. Spotless. Fill the fridge with new groceries. Good job! The fridge is clean now. Hey, help me to clean the kitchen. Welcome to my house. It looks terrible. Can you wash it? Great! Now rinse it. Spotless. Fix the glass, please. Great! Now wipe it. Awesome! Ew, disgusting! Can you clean it? Use the sponge, please. So clean! Awesome! Now change my car design. Super! How cute! Yay! Oh, wow! I love the way it looks now.